say, what's up? Welcome back, my friendly friends.
Why am I so pale?
What do you call people?
Stranger friends?
Yeah, say that.
Except there's a duel.
What? Somebody's stealing your lingo?
Carissa Pukas.
I don't know.
I watched her and she started saying stranger friends. I said, fuck. Who came first, the chicken or the egg?
Not.
I guess we'll never know.
Okay, go, brother.
What's up? What's up, stranger friends? Welcome back to my channel. It's been a while, I know. Anyways, we're gonna be doing a drink with us and cook with us. So we're a little bit tipsy right now. We're gonna keep drinking. It's gonna be fun and delicious. And we're also gonna make food, which is gonna be fun and delicious.
Well, we're not cooking meth, so.
I didn't say nothing about
You say
that.
we're cooking and we're making food. Cheers, brother. To that.
Hate myself.
We also have no juice, so Alison's drinking pickle juice and I'm just taking a straight giant vodka shot.
Bro, leave me a comment if you've ever had a pickleback, because she did a poll and it's pretty 50-50 right now.
Because I feel
pickle
like
juice is a good chaser. It completely takes away the taste. And if you're from the South, you would know that. Also, shout out to Atlanta, my hometown. This is for you, bitch.
Chills down my whole spine. We're drinking like really cheap vodka.
Real cheap. Getting drunk on a budget.
Oh, drunk on a budget. Happy quarantine, happy election, happy...
Oh yeah, we're filming on election day.
Well, it's 9:46 p.m.
It's 9:46 and we're a little confused. Has the election happened?
Alison, we're educated.
I mean, so when will we know?
When they count all the things. I think they're gonna...
So it's not gonna be for another like couple days?
It's probably gonna be tomorrow. It's so tight knit.
I watched a lot of psychics on TikTok and they told me
Donald Trump's gonna win, and then two days later
they're gonna count all the mail-in ballots, and then Joe Biden's gonna win, and then Donald is gonna say, "Not on my watch." He's gonna. I'm
sure by the time this is uploaded, we'll already know. So this might not.
That's exciting. No, it will go in. I think it'd be fun.
We're psychics. Today, what are we gonna be making for dinner, Alison?
We kind of made up this recipe.
We do it a little different. It's not the best.
We tweak it a little bit every single time, but it's basically a lemon, garlic,
onion, creamy.
It's like a creamy lemon garlic pasta with chicken and broccoli. So, well, sometimes we don't use chicken, sometimes we use a different vegetable. So, you do whatever you like. This is what we're doing tonight.
Tonight's the night. We also usually use like milk. We're kind of drunk and we didn't really think, we knew we were gonna make this recipe, but neither of our brain cells decided to like check the refrigerator to see what we had and we didn't have. So currently we're missing a couple things. So you know what? It's gonna be a little groove while you move.
We're being realistic, okay? This is how real life works. You don't always be prepared.
Oh, being an engineer, you figure it out, okay?
So let's get into that.
Let's get into it. Let's get into it.
You know?
TikTok transition.
All right, we got our water boiling for the pasta. What?
You're back at it, okay.
I'm back at it, baby.
Run it, brother.
We're going to be cutting some onion into what? Dice?
Yep, all that. Yep, dice. I'm back. I was peeling a shallot. We're gonna cut one whole shallot. What? How much onion?
I don't know. This is what's hard about recipes.
Okay, we really don't know. We just kind of guess every time we cook this. But right now we have like one onion that's cut into, like looking like a cube.
So do like a quarter of a whole onion.
Depends on the size of your onion. However fucking much onion you want to use. As I start to chop, Alison, get our other round of shots. Take my shot glass. Listen, everybody in this kitchen.
Did you open this beer?
Because I'm drinking it.
You are drinking it?
Yes. You got something against me?
No,
being one of the brothers.
No, you're drinking it. What can I do? Oh, my
shot. Yes.
I see. Here's your drink. Okay. And also, I'm grabbing the computer. And I'm showing them what you're doing. Let's go.
I don't know what I'm doing.
Let's get a lighter.
Chop. Should I do it all funny?
That was not the stop record button. I took a picture. Bro, you got so close to that acrylic, it had me a little scared.
That's what nails are good for. They give you a good stopping ground. I haven't even cut the onion yet. Let me take a shot first.
Yes.
Because I earned it and I dropped some shallot.
I get the pickle juice.
Cheers.
Ladies and gentlemen.
I don't know why I always slam it down very aggressively. I think it makes me feel better inside. Now you take this, you take your pan and you give it a good swoop.
Okay.
Give it a good swoop-de-doop in there.
Are you wearing pants?
Yeah, I am actually.
I'm scared. Something smells weird.
That's you. You haven't showered in 6 days.
I put a little bit of olive oil and garlic. Even though it wasn't freshly peeled, chopped garlic, it still works. We're putting it on the stove now. And the cooktop is on, but it's for that. So we gotta make the cooktop for this. Pasta water to boil.
It's about to boil, so like every good Italian, we're not Italian, but we're gonna salt our pasta water. Was that offensive?
We're a little Italian.
Was that offensive?
No, I don't think it was offensive.
We're Italian a little bit.
We're a little bit Italian, so I think it was okay.
Did you hear about this?
What did you hear about?
They're doing a Zoe 101 reboot.
And
They cast the TikTok stars.
Oh, I didn't hear about that.
Oh, they did
absolute disgrace.
They did Dixie D'Amelio as
Zoe 101.
No, what's the weird one? The kind of quirky scientific one.
Oh, I can kind of see that. No offense.
No, what's her name?
I don't remember. Rebecca?
I know it. Quinn.
Oh yeah,
they cast Dixie
we are
D'Amelio as
not
Quinn.
in focus. We're in focus over here. Bro, we gotta start this over.
Let's give a quick, first of all, we owe this to your people.
What?
Welcome to our new kitchen.
Oh.
We don't live at our other place anymore.
Nobody knows about it.
Y'all knew already. We didn't live there.
I love eating raw onion. Yeah, welcome to our new kitchen. We moved. Oh yeah, I guess if you
They don't know anything.
Yeah, well I guess if you watched our roommate story time. That was a knife. No, it wasn't.
It was a spoon.
But yeah, if you watch that video, we don't live in that house anymore. Woo!
We got our own place.
We got our own place, so we don't live with random creepy roommates.
We've been waiting to do like an apartment tour till it's all finished, like every other fucking good influencer says, till it's all finished. We have one piece of furniture.
It's not gonna be finished for a long time.
Also today, we're gonna be trying this new, we haven't tried it yet. Right? You have never had this?
I'm pretty sure I've had it at least once.
I don't think I've had it.
I prefer the other chicken strips that are like, I forgot what they're called, but they're in the actual meat section. I really fuck with those chicken strips, but we're gonna use these ones because that's what we bought. They're cheaper. We normally use normal spaghetti with this recipe, but we don't have that. So we're gonna use the rest of this rotelli like spiral pasta, and it's just gonna have to work.
Do I choose the rest?
Yeah, absolutely. That wasn't, oh, that's not even enough, bro.
Alison, you're insane. We're adding chicken and broccoli to it.
I know, but that's not enough pasta.
Alison's literally the queen of cooking 14 servings of pasta for one person.
Okay, but one thing that we already mentioned, I think, is that we don't have milk. We normally use rice milk.
But today we don't have that, so I think it's gonna be more of a heavy mixture of like olive oil and butter.
Yeah.
Which is fine.
It's not the healthiest recipe, but you know.
When it's creamy pasta, really ever healthy. No.
Oh, that's a good landing.
If you guys could see, the butter landed right side up. Sorry.
So once your onion and shallot and garlic mixture is getting like close to being browned, it's looking pretty good. This is the base of our sauce. And then we're going to grab a little bit of the pasta water.
Grab more than you might need just in case. You never fucking know, especially since, like we said, we don't have milk.
Right.
We're gonna just go ahead and add like a little bit of that in. Not all of it, maybe half.
I would add some butter as well.
One like pretty solid scoop butter. Like we said, not a healthy recipe. Let that melt around a little bit.
Maybe turn the heat up a little bit just so this kind of condenses down.
We got the vegan chicken strips and a little bit of olive oil going into a pan. And this amount of chicken-ish.
And I got some lemon herb seasoning. And then also, if you have like a chicken seasoning that is vegan, obviously, use that.
Maybe some pepper.
Pepper, yes.
Listen, when you get vegan meat, sometimes you have to fucking flavor it. Like, people are really vegan vegan meat, and they're like, it doesn't taste like anything. I'm like, yeah, because you cooked it like it was like supposed to already taste like chicken. Yeah. Like when you cook chicken or when you cook steak, you cook it with some seasoning. So like when you cook vegan meat, cook it with some seasoning.
True. Your pasta is about to be done. Your sauce is cooking. Then we're gonna thicken it up. If you have plant-based milk, go ahead and use that as long as it's unsweetened. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna add a little bit of cornstarch, and it's gonna thicken up the sauce just so it's not like too watery.
And on top of all of that, towards kind of the end a little bit, we're gonna go in with a half of a lemon.
We're gonna add some nutritional yeast now.
We got a little more pasta water. We're gonna add that in because it evaporates real quick. Because this is not gonna be like your Alfredo sauce where it's all creamy 100%.
Yeah.
It ain't gonna be that.
Ow!
We usually,
This just evaporated in my whole makeup routine.
at this point, I think that's when you stick the steamed broccoli in the microwave.
Okay. We got broccoli flour. It's going in the microwave.
In the microwave.
It's gonna get zapped.
I'm gonna put a little parsley in the sauce.
Ooh, yes, parsley. I love
Alison
that.
loves parsley. I like parsley. Alison doesn't love red pepper flakes. I love red pepper flakes.
We can put
I'm gonna add a little bit of them too.
I'm becoming more of a fan of red pepper flakes.
Just adding them to the sauce gives them a little bit of zest. It's all about the seasonings. We're gonna go in with a lemon.
Go in with it. Oh, we need one of those things that catches the seeds.
We don't have those.
We don't have that, so we're just gonna, and I'm not gonna do it through my hands because I broke my nails in it. It would sting like a bitch.
Should I do it?
You wanna do it?
Just do it like through a cup. Squeezing the lemon in there because no splashes get out. And that way, if we lose any seeds, we can retrieve them. What else do we normally add to it? Because I feel like we're really missing some things.
I feel like, oh, we add the truffle oil.
Oh yes, that's our secret ingredient. Don't tell anybody.
Secret ingredient is some truffle oil. This is not 100% necessary. You can definitely still use this recipe without it, but a little bit of truffle oil just brings it up a notch. It really does.
Makes you feel like you're at a 5-star restaurant without paying those 5-star prices.
We like to add this last though.
Stir the chicken up a little bit, but yeah, add the.
Get nice and crispy. You hear that crisp? She's thick, boy.
Wait, let me have the crude.
Damn, she's thick. Just kidding.
Actually doing it again.
Just kidding. Try not to scrape the bottom. You're really not supposed to scrape Teflon with metal because it's poisonous, poisonous. So we just add a little bit of cornstarch. I think.
Oh my God.
Jesus Christ.
My bad, brother.
So this just thickens it up a little bit. As you can see, it's becoming like a more thick kind of paste. So my camera battery's dying, but all we did was we added a little bit of vegetable stock just to replace the plant-based milk that we don't have right now. Now for the final touch, we're gonna add a little bit of truffle oil, just the tiniest amount, like literally like a teaspoon.
And we're also gonna add a little bit of cheddar cheese.
Damn, you good.
This is a Simple Truth plant-based, non-dairy cheddar style shreds. I've never tried this. Alison said it was pretty good. So she's adding truffle oil. I'm just gonna kind of sprinkle on top of it to give it a little bit more of a cheesy flavor.
Pasta's been done. Go ahead and give it a...
We got real focused on like the cooking and stuff, so I feel like you can barely tell this is like a drunk cooking in me because we both just started real focusing on it.
It's hard to cook when you're drunk.
It's hard to cook.
It's hard to cook when you're drunk because
I just feel pressure because I want
your
you guys
drunkenness
to cook.
goes straight to the food, which is good.
I want you guys to like our recipes that we make.
Yeah, that's true.
If you hate them, then it's just like, what the fuck?
You could add your broccoli and chicken to the sauce. If you have plant-based milk and it's a lot saucier, then that would be better. But ours is a little bit of a thicker sauce, so I think we're just gonna add it on top. So we're gonna be back when we plate up. Right?
That's pretty good.
Ew, I just coughed up a noodle.
Ew. Okay, go. First, plate your pasta.
What the fuck did you just say?
Plate your pasta. Then add... Oops.
Bro.
It's not my fault. This spoon's willy-nilly. We eat a lot. Like, put the broccoli in the middle. There we go. Then, add the chicken. Crispy chicken like we wanted. It's not going to be pretty because most people plate their food not on camera. Just saying. Some chickens. Some chickens. A ladle full ready. Full of that chunky, garlicky, oniony, beautiful, cheesy sauce. Incredible. Like we said, it's usually a little bit creamier, but you know what? What can you get? The taste is really all that matters. And let me tell you, it tastes bon appetit.
You've made it to the end of our drunk cooking video. Congratulations. It's not the best thing we've ever made. We've definitely made this
We haven't even tried it yet.
True, we have not
You're
even
really
tried it.
Xing us out before we
well,
even get to
it just usually looks a little better, but we've made this before. It's really, really good. Thank you for watching, you guys. I hope that you learned something new and you have a new recipe to try. Get drunk with your friends and make this recipe. I love you guys, and I will talk to you in my next video.
God bless. Amen. Muchas gracias.